Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As everybody knows that Apple has launched its latest iPhone version 12 and its cost is $1,299. Now, if you want to know what would be the expected or approx launch price of iPhone 13, then this video is for you. We are going to use linear regression to achieve this. So without taking more time, let's get into the video. So these are the history prices of launched iPhone version. So the 499 for version 3 and so on until 12th version we have this 1299 price as we already know, right? So we are going to give this data to linear regression and that model will predict the price of the upcoming version as 13, right? So what you need to do first we need to have import pandas, and then we will use sklearn module also, right? So from sklearn dot linear model import linear regression, right? And I'm getting this error because I need to change the Python version from here, right? So I have selected 3.7 and now we don't have any error. Okay, so some spelling mistakes, yeah, so yes, this is fine. Now what I'll do, I need to read the CSV file, right? The data which we have in this CSV file, we have the version and prices. So what I'm going to do here, df equals to, okay, so let me just put it as alias pd. So pd dot read CSV and I'll give the iPhone name, the file name iPhone price history, right? And then I'll get the object of the model which is linear regression and I'll put the data into this model, right? So in this model dot fit the data. So here I'll put the uh, version column and then I'll put the price, not in this string, sorry, yeah, like this, yes, and then I'll get the expected price. So here what I'll do is model dot predict and this will give you the price, and here I need to give the version name and this will predict the price, right? Yes. Now, so again I'll just make you understand. So here in this line we are reading the CSV file which has the data in the label and value format, so version and the price we have, and in the next line I am just getting the object of the model. After that I am just putting up or fitting the data in the model as the label and value, and then I am just getting the prediction value of the label, right? So label here I'll give the version 13 and this will give you the expected price, and I am going to print this expected price. So let me just make it more understandable. So here the predicted price is this, right? Okay, so I have given the 13. Let me just run it and let's see what would be the expected price. So guys, yes, we are getting, when the Apple is going to launch its 13 version, then the price would be approx $1,384, right? So this would be the price of version 13 iPhone, right? So if you want to see or if you want to check whether it is working fine or not, or it's giving the correct result or not, what we can do, I'll just remove this version 12 and the price is 12.99, and if I'll remove this and I'll have the price from here expected price, then it should not be more than or approx or near to the $1299, right? So I'm going to run it, and yes, we are getting $1259, which would be the approx price of 12 version, right? Now if you want to see, like here we don't have the 9 version. If there was ninth version of iPhone, then it should be between 849 to 1149, right? It should not be more than 1149 and less than 849. So here I am going to give version 9, and let's see. So yes, $943 we are getting, and which is coming between these two values. So it means our prediction value is coming perfectly fine, right? So these are the few line of codes, almost the 7 line of codes you can have the prediction value of your iPhone versions. So guys, I hope you like this video and you are going to implement in your various prediction values. So till see you in next video. Till then, I want to thank you all for supporting me so long. If you really like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.